What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix the screenshots not working issue in MagicOS 8. So to fix this issue, first of all try restarting your phone. So to restart, press and hold on this power button. And then from this menu tap on restart. So when you will tap on this restart option here, it will restart your phone, and restarting your phone can fix small software glitches like screenshot issue. So after restarting, if you are still facing the issue, then try updating your phone's software. So for that, open settings. Now scroll down to the end and tap on system and updates. Now tap on software update, and then from here check if your phone's software is updated to the latest version or not. So if you have not updated the software, then update the mobile's software, and after updating this mobile software, the screenshot issue will be fixed. But if you are still facing the issue while taking a screenshot, then you can turn on an alternative way to take screenshot. So for that, open settings, scroll down, and here tap on accessibility features, and then tap on shortcuts and gestures. Now here tap on screenshot or global favorites, and here you will see a knuckle screenshot button. So tap on this button to turn it on, and after turning on this button, knock twice on the screen with the knuckle to take a screenshot. So that's how you can fix the screenshot not working issue in MagicOS 8. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.